manifest anything basta naniniwala ka, Aries, no? So ito yung sinasabi sa iyo dito, no? So you can have the stability rin soon na hinahanap mo, no? Something like that, no? So yeah, no, for some of you, kung sa businessman ay huwag kayong mag-alala, no, lalago at magiging maganda rin ang inyong income, no, within the business. And of course, kung sa job man, may magkakaroon kayo ng mga promotion, no? Soon, no? Not now, maybe, but soon, no? Just keep on praying and keep working harder, no? So, hindi naman agad-agad yan. Kailangan ng, ng pagkilos, right? No? So, hindi pwedeng dasal lang din tayo ng dasal, but then, hindi natin ginagawa, no? Something like that, no? But then, because, di ba, you have this manifestor, no? So, sa nasabi dito talaga is, magagrant yung mga kahilingan nyo, no? Basta gawin nyo din yung part nyo, no? So, naririnig kayo ni universe, ni God, no? Something like that, no? So, ini-inform niya kayo na naririnig niya kayo, no? Something like that. So, what else? So, let's see what are the possible lucky numbers for you within this week, no? Aries, no? So, yeah, kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards, 6 cards, no? For you, Aries. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, no? So, let's see what are the possible lucky numbers for you within this week, Aries, no? So, you have 47, color yellow again, no? Maraming nakakuha ng yellow. Maybe talaga ay maybe ay lucky color of this week, no? Within this week is yellow, no? So, maraming nakakuha ng yellow na mga signs, no? So, what else? 76. O, dalawa yung color mo, Aries, no? So, you also have gold, no? May gold ka rin. So, parang same din yan, di ba? Yellow and gold, no? Halos same, no? But then, either yellow or gold is your positive color within this week. So, you also have 75 and last 50, no? So, yan no, mga Aries natin dyan. You have this 50, 47, 76, and 75, no? So, these are the numbers, no? Possible lucky numbers for you within this week, Aries, no? So, repeatedly, no? Again, no? Kapag nakita nyo to, repeatedly within this week, no? You will receive something good, no? Or some good news, no? Positive news, no? And of course, ang iyong lucky color for this week